What is happiness? For me, the closest synonym of happiness is excitement. Not the past, not the future. The only tangible thing we can play around with is now. We must surrender everything we have into everything we do. We dive, we drown, we surrender to the moment until we are the moment. We have to punish mediocre successes and reborn excellence and failures. Because excellence is not an accident. It's rebirth, a transformation, a renaissance. Because, as they say, he who thinks he can and he who thinks he can't are both usually right. And I will survive till I get it right. Excellence is a choice, and the choice is yours.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead.